What's going on, guys? I want to give you guys a little trade idea for a name that we don't normally trade in my personal Discord community, but looking at some charts here, doesn't look too bad. That stock is going to be Nike. So Nike was up about $4 today. 3.75%. I like what Nike's kind of doing here. We do have this low point here, $99.50. I do like the last 3 days is kind of building up slowly, reclaiming each level of supply kind of one day at a time, right? That's kind of what you want to see, especially when a stock is coming off of the bottom, is you don't want to see, just big, massive green candles. And then, there's more opportunity for that to fall back a lot faster. You want to see it kind of staircase higher, take out individual levels of supply, and then continue to build on those levels of supply, which are now going to be levels of demand. If we just kind of go back 2 days now, reclaiming the linear regression bottom channel here, as well as the 5-day moving average. And then we put in this nice little rest day yesterday where we kind of just briefly tested the 10-day moving average and kind of just sat here. So what I like about that is that we sat over the 5-day, under the 10-day, and we got that nice breakout today. So as soon as we took out previous days highs, we kind of wiped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days worth of price action here. And now we're kind of just sitting casually at the 20-day moving average. Tomorrow's 0 days till expiration, guys. Contracts are going to be a little bit cheaper. Let's just make this very, very, very simple. Any kind of flat or red open, and then any stocks that go red to green, we're going to want to look at Nike. If the stocks start to go red to green, especially a stock like Nike, like let's say, for example, Nike opens up under $108.13, which is today's highs. If it opens up under 108, what you are going to look for is just to sit patiently on your hands, let the stock consolidate, do whatever it needs to do, trap shorts off the bell or whatever. Even if it just opens up flat, even if Nike opens up at, let's say, 108.10, right? And just opens up pretty much flat. As soon as we get the confirmation over today's highs, which is going to be reclaiming this 20-day moving average, we got a Bollinger Band kind of sitting right here, maybe 50, 60, 70 cents higher. Take it into account, but don't let it be a reason why you don't take the trade. As soon as we take out these highs here, I'm going to get long on this, and then we do have some room into the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is sitting at 113. Now, Nike moved $4 today. It's not always going to move $2, $3, $4, $5. Sometimes it might put in a dollar move. Sometimes it might put in a $2 move. Sometimes it might put in like a 70-cent move. Beggars can't be choosers. We just need to make sure that we get into the play correctly, meaning there was a technical reason for us to enter the play. We have a technical stop. One thing that I do like here is that if we do take this entry over the 20-day moving average here and we get long and we don't take profits because it just doesn't kind of go up that high, and then we lose the 20-day moving average, that could be your stop. Just use a technical stop right there underneath the daily 20 SMA, and you will get out of this trade with a paper cut. So what we are looking for, if you're looking to try to swing this, if the market wants to continue to creep higher, anything over the 20-day moving average, as long as we continue to close over that price point of around $108, we're just going to continue to sit in this trade, and let's set a price target at 113. Okay, so we want to be taking profits into 113. Definitely want to take profits before the 50-day moving average. As you can see here, we were rejected at the 50-day moving average once. We lost the 50-day moving average here, where we were rejected at the 50-day moving average here. Each time we get into this 50-day moving average, because this is a bear market, you are going to sell off. Now here we got 3 days worth of trading over the 50-day moving average. Here we got 1 day over the 50-day moving average before we sold off. So bear market, sell off under the 50, right? So as we approach this 50, this is telling me that we still have room in this trade. There's still some meat on this bone, but I just want to make sure I'm taking my profits here because I do not want to get trapped on the next leg down. Hope that kind of helps. Let's keep it very casual, very simple for tomorrow. Looking at Nike. Hope this video helps you guys. If you guys are interested in learning how to day trade, definitely check all the links down in the description box below. Join the Discord, so forth and so forth. I'll catch you guys all on the inside, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.